Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we've had this morning is we've had some weakness. We've traded from 78 yesterday down to 62, so we've given back 16 handles. What we're seeing right now, though, is a move down to the middle band and a bounce, which has been very typical. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interactions with the middle band in the last 8 sessions, all of which have been rejected. Okay? The bears must. They must close below middle band today. If they don't, they're only going to get so many shots to make hammers at the middle band before they get punished for it. And the punishment here would be to go up, make it through 78, and do an upper band ride for 2 or 3 days. Now, at the same time, 78 has been resistance on a few different occasions. So, it's a situation where they're struggling to getting through 78, but every time they move it down to middle band, it's just a wall there. Okay, the bears have to break out of that trend. They have to break out of that trend, and they need to push today. If we end up in a situation where we end up with a candle that looks like this, that is something that is much more likely to go ahead and roll this market over. But if things play out the way they typically play out, and we end up putting in another big hammer here, during the course of this uptrend, that's meant nothing but new highs. So, it is an absolute must-perform day for the bears. They're out of chances. The bears are out of chances. They must perform. They must break back through middle band, and they have plenty of opportunity to make a lower high here. We've done 78 to 62. That's 16 handles. So we've had a 16 handle pullback. There's going to be a bounce. But what the bears can never seem to do is turn that bounce into a lower high and convert it into a lower low. It's that second part that consistently has eluded them for the last 2 years. They'll have another chance to do that today. So a bounce from here, anywhere, I don't want to see it get above 73. I think if it gets above 73, then 78 and beyond kind of becomes a magnet. If they can do a lower high there, they're okay. But they have to do the lower low, and they have to do it today. They can't leave a hammer on that chart. Not for a summer Friday, because it will just drift higher tomorrow. We've seen that movie way too many times. Okay, so that's the task before the bears. What do the bulls need to do? The dip buyers just need to stay strong, get it back above 78, and at that point, the bands are tight enough to ride for a few days. So we'll see how it plays out. Very important day in the market. Very important day. It'll be very interesting to see how this plays out. Okay, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. I am traveling tomorrow, so I will be no webcast tomorrow. I will be back Monday morning with another webcast. Enjoy your weekend and trade them well.